I want it. We're starting off with an I want it. I need this. I wouldn't even fit in this thing. God, it's like they said, let's take a Suzuki Alto and make it the Suzuki Soprano.
Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah, okay.
America, were you born living in a cul-de-sac or did you seek one out? Taking up jewel pods after purchasing doesn't count as a modification. So were you boring from birth or are you self-taught? Alright, we're Nissan. What design should our next car have? You ever blow into a straw to inflate a juice box? The AMC Gremlin is the Wario to the Ford Pinto's Mario, if Mario spontaneously combusted anytime Princess Peach baked him a thank you cake. I almost feel bad for Brian that we're holding this at a video game convention. He's gonna get asked for so many rides today. I'm your driver, Brian! I'm Roman, I gotta get to the proctologist. Step on it, Brian!
I travel, my luggage is right on. I'm like, yeah, if you steal it, have fun with that. Yeah.
I have a girlfriend. She doesn't have pets. She just has a couple of plants and a sourdough starter. Acura Legend, the official car of that one relative who's always offering unsolicited investment opportunities. This is the first car I've ever seen that gives off both main character and quest giver energy. Toyota Land Cruiser. This is a better Jeep Cherokee with a worse publicist. Plymouth Reliant. Sponsored by small-town newspapers that put the opening of a new Wawa on the front page. I've never seen a car that looks homeschooled before. I did an ECU flash and the navigation forgot all my saved addresses. Chevy Astrovan. The official car of guys who start conversations at urinals. I put $15,000 of work into this, so I'm setting reserve at $100,000. BMW R1 whatever. This is the automotive equivalent of non-transferable credits. Being a motorcycle guy at a car show has gotta be like going to Hooters when you're into feet. For guys who buy AutoZone steering wheel covers to keep their hands soft. For guys who wear driving gloves to keep their hands soft. For guys who call AAA to keep their hands soft. Volvo V60. For the neighbor who's just waiting to drop a dime to the HOA. Mercury Grand Marquis. I have a closet full of JCPenney button-down shirts, and I'm constantly on strike 2 at the country club. Well, it was either this or have a relationship with my dad, and frankly, I think I made the right choice. For the man who's worried about the government coming to take his guns, when he has no guns. The drive-thru always gets my order wrong, and frankly, I think that's what triggered my persecution complex. Somebody get me a wire coat hanger so I can get at the butterscotch candies in the glove box. Dodge Diplomat. It's got all the raw, masculine, high-class appeal of an unlit cigar. And I want it. Desperately. Yeah, I'm looking into some lowering springs. For more low. Stop handing Tyler the aux. He's just going to put on Dragon Force again. Dude, come on, just let me make you a mixtape. Just trust me, I promise you, it's gonna go so hard. I'm usually in bed before midnight, but my mustache likes to stay up watching old Motor Weeks. Pontiac Grand Am, oh yeah, I gotta go get my Zoloft refilled. Ah, Camaro. If a pocket full of loose cigarettes were a car. I reapply Icy Hot in between laps walking around the mall. Good old Miata. For when you're tired of people asking if you want some dip to go with the chip on your shoulder. Aw, cute. The Honda Insight is just 1982's idea of the future. I want it. I want it. I want it. Like, seriously, I do. This is actually... I'm not even into BMWs like that, and I think this is genuinely nice. Man, I'm so basic. I'm tired of the dating scene, Jennifer, aren't you? I mean, how many frogs do you gotta kiss before you realize you're not French? Behold, the scourge of the Applebee's. Yeah, I want the side shaved, but like, only an inch off the top. And just do a 1 on the beard. I was gonna get some downpipes on this bad boy, but technically it's still owned by the bank. Well, here comes my neighbor again to complain about tree boundaries. Better put on my customer service voice. We are experiencing higher than normal call volumes. Your call is important to us. Now please eat an entire bowl full of flaccid So I said to Toyota, I said, give me a flatbed that's shorter than a power nap. And then they did it. You can leave me, but you're not getting custody of the watches. My idea of a Saturday afternoon is cursing out Roush customer service. Aw, Betty, I've missed you so much. I really, really have. I wish I could just take you home, but everything has a season. I'm just glad you're loving your new home. So, Anthony, man for all seasons, man holding the camera, gifted me this wonderful thing. It is Betty in RC car form, built from a model kit, and it is absolutely beautiful. And I'm going to drive her now.
And it has plastic tires, so it'll slide around. There's a set of rubber tires in there as well, if you want to put them on.
Huh.
There you go.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Yeah, it's better on.
Yeah! Yeah! Da 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 da.
Now on to my favorite part, the Paper Plate Awards, because car awards are stupid. So, our first award goes to Most Wang. That is the best spoiler here. The Most Wang, so best spoiler, goes to a Dumpster Firebird. Also Firebird Triple Six. Where are you? Our next award goes to Most Smell. The most smell I have smelled from an interior. This goes to an Isuzu pickup. And Tony, your truck is idling weird. There you go. Our next award goes to back in my day, no ballers and no about. This is the Best Wingadinga Award, going to a Chrysler Newport, Pennsylvania plate. Our next award is unique. This was meant for Jeeps, but literally no Wranglers showed up to this. This is the Go Duck Yourself Award. So, it goes to the closest thing to a Jeep, which is a Land Cruiser with Virginia license plate. Our next award is Best Small. So, Best Tiny Car, and I think you know which one's going to win. It's the AutoZam. Where is it? Our next award goes to the leased car, and the leased car, in this case, is going to be a motorcycle. This is a Honda Nighthawk 750 DA plate. No one? Is there just some rando in the parking lot? Well, if they show up to the red Honda Nighthawk, you're here. 4 carbs of fury. I know a guy who does inspections. Oh no. This goes to the lifted Hyundai, Pennsylvania plate, Juliet. Our next award goes to Best Stickers, aka Where's the Bad Dragon sticker. This one goes to a Honda Insight. The truck that ever trucked. What do you haul? Nothing. This goes to a truck that has towels on the seat, including one on the armrest. It is a Ford F-150, Pennsylvania plate. Thank you. Now another fan favorite goes to Legal in Florida. This car is legal in Florida. This goes to a Plymouth Belvedere, PA Historic Blade X. A new award this year. This is the Memorial Veronica and Kit Award because last year they left on a AAA truck. This is the Uh-Oh Award, and this goes to a car that's two cars welded together. It is right over there. It's the Triumph Spitfire. And now, the most regular in show goes to a surgically clean Acura Legend. Well done, man. Well done.
I'll take a bullet for you, girl, as long as I don't die. Wear a silly costume, as long as it looks fly. 'Cause you mean the world to me. I'll give you the sun, the stars, the deep, but I'll never let you drive my bone stock Mopar. I just don't love you enough. And that's a bridge too far. A VIN number represents the car of my dreams. I'm a simple man in both style and means. Which Mopar is best Mopar? Every single Mopar, so don't test Mopar. A car show means a long drive out there, but I need to know if K-Car's still alive out there. Fake, braided, vacuum hose, based, reverent, shameless bros. Crumb up on the rims and we're not gonna stop there. Fill my back seat with 120 stuffed bears. This is my toy car, this is my real car. Exercise my Second Amendment. If they steal cars, leave them in a heap in the dirt like open wheel cars. Leave the game behind, I ain't even got my cut yet. Leave the game of rhyme, I ain't even got my nut yet. Cutting me off, I ain't even got my cup wet. Leave a person laid up in bed, it's like we just met. I'm the ink and treachery kid, you know I clap lead. Feel it when the max spread, bar sharp as an axe head. That's what's gonna happen if you diss my first gen Mopar. Leave you blacked out like a night with no stars. 'Cause this is where my loyalty ends. If you're not about the Mopar, we'll never be friends. My girlfriend told me I could trade it in or paint it red. So this is what I said: I'll take a bullet for you, girl, as long as I don't die. Wear a silly costume, as long as it looks fly. 'Cause you mean the world to me. I'll give you the sun, the stars, the deep, but I'll never let you drive my bone stock Mopar. I just don't love you enough. And that's a bridge too far. The truth is I ain't got much cash, but I hustle each day like I do got such cash. Mopar show got that Wrangler flow. Call me Doc 'cause I got that Egon Spangler flow. You ever see a bone stock 318? You ever see a neon in neon green? You ever see a Plymouth Horizon for sale with under 30,000 miles since first retail? I'ma exercise my rights to some halo lights and to stand in some really, really long ass lines to ride a Charger that they won't even let me drive. But my girl wants a feeling that I'll never provide. Override my objections, a test drive is best drive. I'll take a bullet for you, girl, as long as I don't die. Wear a silly costume, as long as it looks fly. 'Cause you mean the world to me. I'll give you the sun, the stars, the deep, but I'll never let you drive my bone stock Mopar. I just don't love you enough. And that's a bridge. A C-body wagon was what I could afford, but if you wanna talk smack, I'll send you back to the Lord, or back to your 97 Honda Accord. I got that Chrysler blood up in my veins, rest assured. I don't need to put my whole foot to the floor to get everything I need and more. Everyone knows life is best lived on four wheels, and if I had the dough, you know I'd own some more wheels and buy a big fancy garage just to store wheels and live a life that's better than what I had before wheels. Tell you about the cars I'ma buy for no reason, a new Dodge Ram for each of the 4 seasons. Get the aux blasting stressed out and heathens, and let my girl know that to touch it is high treason. I'll take a bullet for you, girl, as long as I don't die. Wear a silly costume, as long as it looks fly. 'Cause you mean the world to me. I'll give you the sun, the stars, the deep, but I'll never let you drive my bone stock Mopar. I just don't love you enough. And that's a bridge too far.